Watch post today, Julian. It's going to be a quiet day.
There's Bill. See you at the station, Bill.
Hello again, Pat. Morning, Julian.
Hi, Mrs. Goggins. I'm going with Bill to the cinema in Pencaster. We're going to see Captain Zap and the Escape Spaceship.
Oh, here's the train. Morning, Reverend. Oh, good morning, Pat. You look happy today. Oh, yes. I'm very excited. Ajay's going to let me ride on the footplate with him.
Hello.
Morning, Ajay.
I've got a parcel for you, Ajay.
Oh, that's nice. I'll open it in the cafe. I've just got time for a quick cup of tea before we leave. Would you like one, Pat?
Lovely. Can I go aboard, Ajay?
Yes, of course, Reverend. But don't touch anything. Steam's up, you know.
Oh, yes, of course, Ajay. I do love trains.
Hi, Bill. Looking forward to the film?
Yeah, can't wait.
Oh, no, mustn't touch. Steam's up.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Goggins.
Hello, Dorothy.
Brum, 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 brum.
What's that you're knitting, Dorothy?
It's a sweater for Alf.
Oh, it's lovely.
All aboard. Mind the doors. Full steam ahead. And the express thunders along the track. The signals say go. We're coming through.
Oh, good. We're going.
Oh, there's the rocket. The rocket?
Stop! Stop!
Stop!
Stop!
Stop!
Reverend!
Stop!
Stop! What is it, Jess? Ooh! Reverend, stop!
Stop!
Reverend,
Reverend,
stop! Now,
stop!
stop! We're moving. Oh, dear. Ajay! Help! How do I stop it?
Pull the control lever halfway. Put it in the middle.
Pardon?
Put it in the middle. Oh, no. He doesn't know how to stop it.
We must go after him. Come on, Pat. Right, Arthur.
Hey. Wait. The trolley. Come on, Jeff. We'll catch it with the trolley.
Hold on tight, Pat.
Come on, Jeff. Fast as we can.
Mind you, pets do need looking after, don't they? People don't realise, do they?
Lovely company she is, though.
Aren't you, Bonnie?
Look, there's PC Selby. And Dad.
Are they racing rocket?
Pull the lever halfway. Pardon? Pull the lever back halfway. I can't hear. The lever. Pull it halfway. Oh, right. Oh, dear. I wonder which one. Right or left? We don't know. Pardon? We don't know. Try the left one. Oh, dear.
Come on, put your back into it.
We will never do it, man.
Yes, we will. We have to stop the rocket.
And of course, Alf's just mad about his pigeons. Aye, well, on a farm you must have lots of animals. Oh, yes.
There's PC, Selby and Dad, again.
What are they doing?
I think they're trying to stop the train.
What for?
I don't know.
Pat! The lever on the left didn't work. Oh, dear. Try the one on the right, Reverend. Pull it halfway. Oh, right. The lever on the right. Pull it all the way. Come on now. I hope the train's early.
Hi, Dad.
By heck. Thank you.
That was Dad with the sheep, Mum. I waved to him.
No, that's nice, love. Of course, I take Bonnie to the vet regularly, but it's very expensive. Oh, I know. It's just the same with our sheep.
Goodness gracious me. Oh, thank goodness. He stopped. Move! Hey, up it's coming. Back! Back, Daisy! Flossie, back!
Look, Mum, there goes Dad again.
Oh, yes.
My gum!
But we've just passed him. We must be going back again.
He's right, you know. We're going backwards.
Hang on! It's coming back again! Oh, no! He must have pushed the lever too far the other way. Reverend, you pushed it too far. I said only halfway. Pardon? Follow that train. Arthur, how steady can you drive this panda car? Very steady. I have had police training, you know. Good. I've got an idea.
Oh, no.
Stop!
Oh, about time.
No! Don't stop!
Wait, but you said...
The other way! Reverse! Bump!
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Faster! Come on, put your back into it.
Reverend!
Look, there's Dad again.
Oh, yes, he's right.
Hello, Pat. Yoo-hoo. Cooey, Pat.
Wait, I'm running out of steam, Adgie.
I wish the rocket would.
Here we go. Hold it steady. Hang on, Reverend. I'm coming aboard.
Stop!
Oh, do be careful, Pat. Oh.
Oh, be careful, Pat.
Oh. Hello, Reverend. Hello there, Jess.
Wow.
Now then, let's see. That's the one. Halfway.
Oh, brilliant that!
Well, I never did. Oh, sorry, love. It looks like we're going to miss you a film.
Doesn't matter, Mum. This was much more exciting.
Yeah.
Oh, Reverend. Are you all right? I did tell you not to touch anything.
Oh, dear me. That was most alarming. Thank you, everyone. Now, Reverend, what have you got to say for yourself? I'm very sorry, Arthur. And you, Ajay. I promise I won't do it again. So long as you and the passengers aren't hurt, that's the important thing. Yes, indeed. From now on, I will leave you to run the train, Ajay.
Good idea. It's almost time for next train to Pencaster. All aboard!
Oh, no, thank you. I think I've had quite enough of train rides for one day.
Dad! Mum! Oh, it's been snowing! Look! Can we make a snowman, Dad?
Well, I've got to do my rounds first, Julian.
Oh, when you get back then, Dad.
Okay. Why don't you make a start on one, and I'll help you finish it when I get home, eh?
Thanks, Dad.
Bye, love. Bye, Julian. Come on, Jess. Cheerio. The roads are clear, Jess, in spite of the snow. Oh, dear. That doesn't sound right. Oh, no. We're not far from Ted Glenn's, Jess. Maybe he can fix it. Morning, Pat. Morning, Ted. Oh, dear. That sounds bad. Can you have a look at it for me? No problem. Oh, no. Oh, dear, dear. Can you mend it? Aye, but it's gonna take all day. Oh, no. It'll take me ages to make my deliveries on foot, and I promised Julian I'd help him build a snowman. Well, why don't you borrow my truck? Could I? Thanks, Ted. That's very kind of you. Oh, now what? Hello, Pat. Morning, Alf. What are you doing in Ted's truck? My van isn't working, so Ted lent me this. But now it's broken down too. I don't seem to be having much luck today. Here, you can borrow my tractor if you like. That won't break down on you. Oh, thanks, Alf. I wouldn't, but... well, I promised Julian I'd get back to help him build a snowman. Bye, Pat. Cheerio. I think I can take a shortcut here, Jess. Hi, Sara. Hi, Lucy.
Oh, I need Dad for this.
That's funny. It wasn't making that noise before, Jess.
More tea, Vicar?
Oh, bless you. Good morning, Pat.
What happened to your van, Pat?
Well, it's a long story. Sorry, can't stop, Nisha. Got to make up some time.
Oh, bye, Pat.
Morning, Pat.
Morning, Ajay. Come on, Jess.
Got a problem?
My van's broken down. Ted's mending it, and now I'm late with the post.
I can lend you my motorbike.
Oh, could you? But what about Jess?
No problem. Just follow me. There. What do you think, Pat? Just the ticket, eh?
A sidecar? Fantastic, Ajay. In you get, Jess. Thanks, Ajay. I must dash.
See you then, Pat.
Bye, Ajay.
Drive safely.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Arthur. This is the life, eh, Jess? Out on the open road.
That's better.
Oh, no. We've got a puncture. The rocket. Ajay. Ajay! Stop! Stop! Ajay!
Are you all right, Pat?
Oh, why have we
Is that
stopped?
Pat? I'm sorry, Ajay. The bike's got a puncture. Can you drop me off by Greendale Farm?
Yes, of course. We'll put the bike on board.
Thanks, Ajay.
No problem, Pat. Bye.
Bye. Come on, Jess. This is going to take too long, Jess. Hey,
Hiya, Pat. What's wrong?
I've got to deliver the post to Greendale Farm and I'm late.
Take my sledge. It will get you there in no time.
It's really fast.
Here you go, Pat.
Thanks, Bill. Hop on, Jess.
Off you go.
Whoop.
Go for it, Pat. Go for it.
Whoop. Help!
Go on, Pat. Go on, do it, Pat. You can do it.
Good heavens, Jess. Pat.
Hello, Julia. Here you are.
Well, I never.
Hello, Pat.
Hello, Pat.
Hello, Tom. Hello, Katie. Oh, no. There's one more letter. And it's for Ted. Oh, how on earth did I miss it? And I'm late for Julian.
You can borrow my rollerblades if you like.
Oh, thanks, Tom. That'd be great.
Mine, Pat.
Up you get, Jess.
Jess is very brave.
Here we go.
Good luck, Pat.
Pull over, Pat. You know, you shouldn't be rollerblading along a public road, don't you, Pat? Oh, sorry, Arthur, but my van's broken down and I've got to get this letter to Ted Glenn. Oh. Well, we can't have that, can we, Pat? You come in the car with me. Oh, hello, Pat. Your van's all done. Thanks, Ted. But I'm afraid your truck's broken down. Oh, no. It's over at Thompson Ground. Right. I'd best go and fetch it. Up in, Ted. I'll run you over there. Oh, thanks, Arthur. Glad you got the post done, Pat. Bye. Bye. Goodness me, Jess. We've driven so many different things today. But I'm glad we've got our van back, aren't you?
Woo-woo!
Hi, Dad. I made a snow train.
Wow. It's lovely, Julian. Really good.
I couldn't make a snowman, though. Not without you. Can you help me make a snow adjay to go in the cab?
I'd love to. Morning, Mrs. Goggins.
Oh, dear. Dearie me.
Are you all right?
Oh, Pat, I can't find my glasses and I can hardly read without them.
Oh, dear. Shall I help you to look for them?
No, you get on, Pat. I'm sure they'll turn up.
Right you are. Bye, Mrs. Goggins.
Oh, yes. Bye, Pat.
Come on, Jess. Morning, Arthur. What? Oh, morning, Pat. Morning, Alf. Letter for you. Oh, thanks, Pat. I'm just waiting for the train to go past before taking my sheep over the crossing. Right.
Morning, Pat. Morning, Alf.
Morning, Ajay. Come on. Come on, come on. Hey, look at Jess. He's a good un. Come on.
Hello, Nisha. Hello, Nikhil. Oh, my, you don't sound happy today. What's the matter?
Oh, Green Rabbit's being washed. He plays with it so much it gets very dirty. And he's lost without it.
Oh, dear, poor little thing. Quiet, Bonnie. I know how he feels. I can't find my glasses and I'm lost without them.
Oh, dear.
Well, we'd better get on. Oh, Bonnie. She does like burying things. Bye, Nisha.
Bye, Mrs. Goggins. I hope you find your glasses.
That's it. Thanks, Pat. Oh, and thank you, Jess. He'd make a good sheepdog. Or should it be sheep-cat? That's funny. Where's he gone? He was here a minute ago. That's strange. Jess? Jess! He's probably got hungry and gone home, Pat. I expect you're right. Well, I'd better get going. See you later, Alf. Bye, Pat, and thanks again. Bye. Arthur! What? Hey? Oh, hello. Morning, Pat. Everything all right? Could you keep an eye open for Jess for me? Missing cat, eh? Righto. I must make some notes. Now, if you could write the full name of the lost party. Well, it's Jess. This is official business, Pat. Now, how would I recognise the missing party? Well, he's a black and white cat with a red collar. Black and white. Right. I could have been a detective, you know. Morning, lads. Have you seen Jess anywhere?
No. Why?
He's gone missing.
Oh, no.
I'm sure he'll come back, Julian. Don't worry.
We could put up some posters saying he was missing if you like.
With Jess's picture on them.
Good thinking, boys. Off you go. See you later, Pat. I've a cat to find. Thanks, Arthur. Bye. One, two, three, four. Oh. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's not right.
Oh, hello, love. Everything all right?
Nay, I can't count 'em. They'll not keep still.
Oh, you're one short. Mabel's missing.
No. Morning, Alf. Morning, Dorothy. Have you seen Jess? Nay, sorry, Arthur. Our sheep Mabel's gone missing and all. A sheep gone missing? Mabel, you say? Oh, dear. Now my pencil's gone missing too. By heck.
Oh. No.
Move out the way, Jess! Jess! That's not a good place to sit, Jess. What's the matter? You want me to go in the tunnel, do you, Jess? Well, OK. Come on, then.
Hello, Julian. What's this all about?
Jess has gone missing, Mrs. Goggins. We're putting up posters with his picture on, so that if people see him, they can bring him home.
Oh, dear. I'll certainly keep a lookout for him, Julian. Well, as best I can without my glasses.
Thanks, Mrs. Goggins. Bye.
Bye. Oh!
Jess? Jess! Jess! Come on, Jess, where are you?
Where are we going, Jess? Aha! That sounds like a sheep. You're a clever lad, Jess.
Look at the time, Sara. The train's late.
Late? It's never late.
I know. Oh, I'm really worried. I think I'll phone Pencaster.
Hello, Mrs. Goggins. Oh, is everything all right? Oh no, Sara. I can't find my glasses, I'm afraid. They've been missing since this morning and I'm just lost without them. Oh, no. Well, I'm sure they'll turn up.
OK, thank you. Well, the train left on time.
I wonder where it is.
I don't know. I think I'll phone PC Selby.
What's it all about?
What's he going to say?
Quieten down now, children. Quiet, everyone. I'm looking for some missing animals. Oh, excuse me. Hello? Oh, hello, Nisha. You want to report something? Oh, where's my pencil gone? Never mind. I'll just use my police memory. Yes, Nisha. What? The rocket? You mean a train's gone missing? A missing cat, a missing sheep, my missing pencil, and now a missing train. Right, I'll get onto it. Bye, Nisha. Right, well, Ajay's gone and Jess has gone off like a rocket and Mabel the sheep's taken my pencil and... Oh, I can't remember it all without making notes in my notebook. Maybe I can help, Arthur. It sounds to me as if a lot of things have gone missing. Jeff, why don't you and the children look for Jess and Mabel, while Arthur and I try to find Ajay and the Greendale rocket? Why, hey, Pat. Right, Pat.
Let's go this way.
Can I come with you?
Clever.
We can't search a railway track in a police car. Let's get the rail trolley. Good thinking. Come on. There's some post here for you when we get back, Nisha.
Thanks, Pat.
Good day, Pat.
Mabel! Mabel! Ooh, careful, Arthur. Something's up ahead. What is it? I've heard some strange stories about this tunnel. Monster stories.
Hello. Am I glad to see you?
We thought you were a tunnel monster.
No, it's Mabel. She's got her foot trapped in the rail. Jess was ever so brave. He stopped the train. Can you pull her foot out while I use the crowbar? I couldn't do it on my own.
Right. Righto. Done it. There you go.
Hooray!
There they are. Well done. Well done, love.
Hello, everyone. Here's the train and Jess and Mabel. Oh, Nisha, I've still got your post in here. Well, I never. Look what I've found, Mrs. Goggins.
Oh, my glasses. Oh, thank you, Pat.
Oh, Bonnie, you wee scamp. You buried them there, didn't you?
Now, I'll just finish my notes and, Oh, I wish I had my pencil. Your pencil? I'm sorry, Arthur. I forgot it was there. My pencil. Thanks, Pat. The mystery of the things that go missing has been solved.
Postman Pat, can you guess what's in his bag? Is there a letter? Is there a parcel? Is there a postcard? What's left? Just the cat.